During winter, it's crucial to keep your dog warm and healthy, considering their breed and overall health. Maintain a good grooming routine by brushing their coat thoroughly to prevent matting, which reduces insulation, and trim paw pad hair to avoid ice buildup. Bathe your dog indoors with warm water, ensuring they are completely dry before going outside. And avoid overfeeding indoor dogs. Be vigilant against winter illnesses like respiratory infections and frostbite, especially for hairless breeds. And keep toxic items such as antifreeze and rat bait out of reach. Pay extra attention to existing ailments like arthritis and opt for shorter walks in severe cold, engaging in indoor play instead. Always keep your dog on a leash during winter walks to prevent accidents on slippery ice or in case of sudden snowstorms, and carry a charged phone for emergencies. Finally, understand your dog's specific susceptibility to cold based on their breed to provide appropriate care.